Well, this weekend definitely did not go as planned. Something very sad has happened. I put the Rx7 back on the lift. Sad day. Sort of. So the Rx7 is back on the lift, and that's because I got a really bad oil leak coming from somewhere, and I don't want to drive it with an oil leak, especially a rotary. That's not very good or safe at all. So there's that. But the good news is, I finally brought my Miata back on the ground with some VSXs. But she's back on the ground. The last time she was on the ground was a little after a track day. And then a lot of things happened on that track day. I broke the speedometer cable, and she was always leaking really bad oil. I managed to fix the oil leak because it was leaking from the rear crankshaft seal. And since it was on the lift, I thought, hey, I'm going to start driving it again. It should fix it. Boom, boom. At least a little bit of oil now, so I got to take a look over it, but not as much as before, so. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just dealing with oil problems this week. But another good thing about this weekend is one of my homies is going to donate something to my FD. Can't go anywhere without my ride or die. Plus, we got to suit her up, so. Are you ready, Rue? Are you ready? You're my ride or die. We got to suit you up. We're going to put a sweater on her. Let's go, Rue. Let's go. Now that she's all suited up, we're ready for a mini road trip. Now that we're all loaded up, it's time to go home and show you guys what we picked up. Now it's in a rough condition. That's okay. We can prep it, sand it down, and get it ready to be welded into the FD. If not, maybe I'll go for a bolt-in option, just because I like bolt-ins better, even though that's not necessarily the best thing, but hey, that's what I prefer. So I'm back in my garage. I finally have time to put on my front bumper that I showed you guys in the last video. If you haven't seen it, you should go check out that video. Yeah, I got that bumper from Circuit 3. You should also go check out his site. He has really cool stuff, 90s stuff, Supra, 8086. Go check out Circuit 3 on Instagram. Tom, shout out to you. Thank you for the good deals. And without further ado, let's go get started. So unfortunately, I had some technical difficulties with my camera, but I finished putting it on, bolting everything back in. Wheels are straight. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know what style it is, but I like it. I'll show you guys right now. I think I just made the FD look a whole lot better. Oh mama. Now time to cut to the cut scenes.